everyone, I hope you are doing very well. So welcome back on my channel. So if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe. Guys, today I come with another amazing and awesome platform where you can trade and you can earn a lot of profits. Guys, here I will tell you how you can join this, how you can buy this OTBT trading platform, and I tell you about their economics, their roadmap, their white paper, and also about their referral program and how you can buy this. So you have to must join these guys, and I have placed all of the official links of OTBT trading in my video description. You have to simply click and you can join. So you have to don't skip any part of the video, guys. Welcome to TBT trading platform, guys. Here is our logo of this, and this is the AllDex with only one click. Guys, you can see their pre-sale is live now. What you have to do, you have to simply connect your wallet. Which wallet you have to connect, guys? You have to connect your MetaMask wallet. We have to do listing on CEX at the top soon. After this, here you can see our pre-sale will be started, and our program target is, you can see that, and we have to also current price of is 0.03 USDT and listing price is 0.1 USDT. So you have to just buy. You can easily buy these, guys. You have to simply connect. Firstly, you have to connect your wallet, and guys, we have to listing on all of the PancakeSwap, Coin, Max Global, and Bitmart. Here you can see. And guys, you can buy on BNB in USDT. It's on to you. You have to just enter your amount. You have to connect your MetaMask wallet like this. You have to see, after connecting your MetaMask wallet, here you have to connect your MetaMask wallet, as you can see, and after that you have to just after connecting, you have to simple put how much you want to buy, guys, as you can pay in BNB USDT. And guys, this is welcome to the dawn of TBT token, that is an innovative and exciting digital asset inspired by major exchanges to apply to help traders on DEX use it to like they are using the CEX exchange but still hold the assist themselves. And guys, this is our KYC proof audit. You can check out in our white paper. Here is our white paper, guys. Here you can get all of our introduction, our roadmap, OTB boot, our trader ecosystem, token holders, each and everything is available. So you have to must download this. And if you have any question and query, you can check out here this. So these are the all of the information about OTB in our white papers. So you have to must download this. Market Cap, CoinGecko, DexView, and Unisex Network, Solid Proof, DexTool. These are the all of our partner, guys. And when will be the TBT listed, guys? It will be listed on DEX in December 2024. So we have to start our price with 0.1 USDT. You have to stay connected with us. All of our announcement on our social medias accounts. You have to join, like this is our Telegram community. Here you have to join us for our latest and further announcement at TBT. So, and guys, you have to also join our Twitter official account. Here you have to follow this. And guys, as you know, create trade boots, sniper boots, repair boots, sport chain bridges, and cross chain improves trading experience and optimize profits. So you have to stay connected with us on our social medias account. You have to like, retweet, and comment about this. And here you can get all of our TBT announcement in our account. So you have to must join this, guys. So this is our token sales stages, but which we have to do. In stage 1, guys, we have to, our purchase price will be 0.02, and in stage 2 we have to increase this about 0.3 USDT, and in stage 3 we have to increase this about 70%, like 0.06, and this will be stage 1, as you know, ended now, and we are in the stage 2 that's now started now, and then we have to start our stage 3. So this is our economics, guys. OTBT trading is a BIP20 token deployed on BNB chain mainnet, guys, and total supply is 300 million, as you can see on my screen, guys. So this is on BIP20 chain, BNB chain main network, this, guys, and 300 million is the total supply of OTB. Here is, you can see, about 20% about is our pre-sale, and 20% also our farming, and 15% we have to suggest for our marketing, and 5% is also community reward, because 40% is our DEX or CEX list we have to select it. This is our token contract, guys. You have to copy this when you are buying. You have to check out this when you have to put our address. This is our official contract address of TBT, and guys our decimal is 18, and network, as I have tell you, BNB chain, and token symbol is TBT. So you have to must check it out when you are buying. And guys, this is our exclusive roadmap, and this is we have to detailed action plan of how we are going to become a global meme coin in the world of cryptocurrency. We have to do some points in our 2024, then we have to do in 2025. Here you can check it out in detailed roadmap of our. So if you have to join any of the project, guys, you have to must read it out there roadmap, then you have to follow this. And guys, this is just not about the people behind the project. Here you can see all of the is audited solid percent proof and tokenomics and white paper. I have you tell out and why you have to join TBT, because this is the ecosystem that's powering token behind TBT trading. And at this stage, in the early stages of pre-sale, once it enters the trading, marketers in the shortest possible time aims to achieve a position in the top 1 by market capitalization among boot trading desks by launching a powerful viral marketing campaign. So guys, I recommend you have to join this. And guys, we have also listed them on as I tell you earlier in start of the video, that listing on DEX CEX. So you have to become our amazing community part. You have to create a revolution, so you have to join this. And guys, this is all of our utility incentives and price appreciations is about TBT. So you have to lock the full potential of the TBT trading project, because it's inspired by the major exchanges, and all of the holders get a share of their rewards during pre-sale. So you have to join there. And guys, this is our farming and tire system where you can earn your reward. You can stack your TBT and you can grow it, you can hold this, and you can earn a lot of profit. So you have to buy these, guys. This is a silver APR, that's you can get 60% reward here if you stack. And this is our gold price, that is about 100%, and you can also get their 50,000 TBT minimum. So you have to must hold, you have to stack. And diamond for the 240 APR, and more than 6% multiplier there is, so you have to stack here. And guys, these are all of the question. If you have to say that, you can ask. And guys, these are the all of about trading. So you have, if you are a trader, so you have to don't skip this. This is the all of the new traders, and you have to join on connected on social media's account. I hope you like my video. See you next video. Thanks for watching, guys.